So we're actually at the Cambridge Belfry Hotel, and there is they call it the 47th Annual Classic Car Rally, Sunday, July 27th, King's Lynn and District Motor Club. So very nice, just by chance. We saw people driving in. There's a Rover there. Look at that cute little blue one. So very nice. 1974 MG. That's cute. That's a Ford. Oh, another Ford. That's a nice one. The original T Ford. That's lovely. This one. So anyway, if you are in this area, but I think it's just for one day. Oh wow, you can even see the engine here.